We're here to talk about the BlockUp system and the installation of a lintel. Lintel is a simple installation just like the rest of the BlockUp system. We use a lintel support comprised of a steel plate and wood infill that is modified to the length of the opening that's needed. The steel support is inserted and rests upon the jam block. We use then a typical stretcher block where the bottom of the web has been removed. Simple saw cut and a hammer gives us the needed removal of the web. The block is put into place, and then one at a time, just like we would do on a regular wall. They're slid into place until the span is complete. Once complete, we have the ability then to place rebar in the top of the blocks. So we get rebar placed in the top of the blocks. And we do this for one course, maybe 2 courses, maybe 3 courses, whatever's needed for the structural capacity we need to span the opening. We also have the ability to put rebar in the jam block opening. So the jams are reinforced. Everything is in place. The entire system is grouted. It's left to cure. Once cured, the supports come down. First the wood support, removing a couple threaded nuts at the bottom of the steel. Then the steel comes out. All that's left is a small divot that has to be tucked or attended to. The lintel's in place, the wall system is in place, we're ready to go on to the next opening.